What's up, guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I'm going to show you how I got this bronzy eye look right here. So if you're interested in how I did it, then stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, so I've already got one eye done, and now we're going to see if we can recreate it on the other. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Subculture palette. And first we're going to dip into the shade Dawn, and we're going to put that in as our transition shade. So I'm just buffing that into the crease all the way up to almost the brow bone. Alright, next we're going to move on to the shade Roxy, and we're going to apply that into the crease with the Morphe M513. So we're going to place that into the crease and then buff it up towards the brow bone, not quite as far as the transition shade. Alright, we got that color nice and blended. So now we're going to move on to a darker shade, and I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. It's called Fudge. I'm going to be taking that on the Morphe E18 brush, and we're just going to dip into that a little bit and focus it on the outer part of the eye. And then we're just going to drag that just a little bit above the crease. Oh, hello. It's a little more than I thought was going to be on there. And it's always better to go in a little bit lighter because it's easier to add more color than it is to take away color. So it's always best to go in with a lighter hand rather than a brush full of shadow, because it's a little bit harder to take it away that way. So we're just going to drag that up into the crease. Then I'm going to go back in with the brush that we just used before that, the M513, and just with what's already left on the brush, I'm just going to go right above the crease and blend all of that together. Alright, next we're going to move on to the lid. The shade right here, and it's called Adorn. And I'm going to take that on the Morphe M213 brush, and I'm just going to apply that all over the inner part of my lid. Putting that all over the lid, dragging it all the way up to just a little bit above the crease. I'm going to take that just a little over halfway of my lid. And I don't know if you can see it, but unfortunately there is quite a bit of fallout with this palette. That's the only bad thing about it. But I don't really mind it. I can just brush it away. But if you are interested in getting this palette, just note that it does have quite a bit of fallout. So if you're not a fan of fallout in your eyeshadow palettes, then I would not suggest this. But other than that, I think it's a great palette. Alright, so we're going to go back in with the Morphe E18, and I'm just going to deepen up the outer part of the lid with that brown again, up right next to the bronze color, just to blend those together so there's no harsh line. And I'm going to go back in with the blending brush with just what's left on it and blend that out right there. Alright, I'm going to move on to the lower lash line, and I'm going to take this Morphe M432. It's just a flat topped brush, and I'm going to dip back into the Fudge color, the dark brown, and I'm going to place that right up next to my lash line. Just going to stamp it on. gonna go in with the Morphe E36 pencil brush, and I'm gonna take the peachy shade right here, Roxy, and I'm going to smudge out my lower lash line with that. And I'm gonna dip into the light orange shade right here and put that just a little bit lower. Like that, and that is it for the lower lash line. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight to my brow bone, and for that I'm gonna be going in with the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Double Gleam. Gonna apply that right to my brow bone, and then I'm gonna put some on my inner corner. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply liner and lashes off camera, and then I'll be right back so we can finish up the look. Alright, we've got lashes on, so to finish up the look, I'm just going to add some black liner to my waterline. And I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Last retractable liner in black. So I'm just going to apply that to my bottom waterline. Then I'm going to add some mascara to the bottom lashes. Oh, I got makeup in my hair. That's gross, I know, don't judge me. Don't judge me. You know you've done it before. I usually just use a makeup wipe, but I don't have any beside me, and to be honest, I'm just a little bit too lazy to go get them. So, now to finish it up, we are just gonna spray some setting spray. Alright, that's it, guys. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because, hi, can I help you? I think my dog needs to go outside. Anyways, subscribe to my channel because I would really, really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!